Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make GIF on an Android. If you're using any Android phone and you want to make your own GIFs, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Play Store app and here go for search and just search for Giphy app. Just like that, just search for that. You just have to install this app which I have already installed. Just tap on open and here we'll see that how can I create a GIF. You just have to select and you from here if you want, but I'm going to select this plus icon, just tap on it and here you can easily create GIF. You just have to select any template from here. Let's say I'm going to select this one, just select that. Now press and hold this icon whenever this screen edging may complete. You just have to wait for it, then release that. Now you can easily edit it from here if you want, but I'm going to select down from here, and here you can easily upload to Giphy or save GIF. Just like that, you can see GIF saving is in progress, or that's how you can easily create or make your own GIF on any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.